Hi guys, it's me again, your boy Errol, here with another tutorial. So I've been playing around with VS Code lately and I'm enjoying it. It's it's difficult to understand, but if you just keep practicing, you'll eventually get the hang of it. So yesterday I was trying to add files into an existing project folder and I watched YouTube videos, but I didn't really get a video that really helped me. So I played around for a few hours, and I finally found two ways. Um, that's for me the easiest way how to add files into an existing folder. So the repo that I have here is a practice repo I got from GitHub. And as you see, I've already made a branch. I've forked this repo and I've cloned it into my computer. And I made a branch because that's the proper way how you manage a repo on your system. Then you create a pull request, and the owner of the repo will have to approve your request. Well, anyways, this is the first way, the easiest way for me to add a file into an existing folder. So first method or first way is by navigating into the actual project folder. So I so what I understand is when you clone a repo, you have to make like a development folder and then you add all the cloned repos there. So I'm just following what other developers are doing. I'm not saying I'm a developer. It's just I know I just follow what they do. So I think it's the foundation or the standard, the SOP. Would you say? I don't know. So here's the actual project folder, and then you go to the file folder. You want to add the files. In this case, I'm adding images. So I'm already in the project folder called images. Uh, It's actually a subfolder. So anyways, then I go to my Explorer, then my pictures folder. Then what you want to do is you can just either you copy and paste or you drag and drop the image directly to the project folder. So in this case, I'm just gonna drag and drop it right there. Boom. Then I go to VS Code, and then you see it's already a highlight here, and there's the file that I just added. Now, what you want to do next is you want to open the terminal. The shortcut is, I think it's Control Shift and tilde. Yes. Then you type. Well, first you can skip this one, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna show it to you. Type git status so you know what's going on. It says here use git add and then the file name to add this file into the to track this file or this file as an index so that on your next commit the file will be added on your next commit. And if you push that commit as a pull request and if the request is approved by the owner, this file will be included in the repo. Now just git add and then the file path. You can do this, copy the path, and then paste here, then there. From you, untracked, now it says index added. So on your next commit, this file, this change will be included. And so that's a first a way. That's easy for me to add a file in an existing project folder. The next step is just by uh, dragging and drop an image from my pictures or my Explorer folder into the actual project folder. So let me choose this one. I drag and drop it here, and it will be added in VS Code. Then if we go to the actual project folder, it's already added there. Now just copy path, and again you git add, paste. Then from you, now it's index added. So the file will be added on your next commit. And if you push the commit and make a pull request, and if the request is approved, the file will be added into the repo. Now, I'm not an expert in VS Code or GitHub or any of this stuff. I'm just learning. So if what I'm saying doesn't make any sense, just feel free to feel free to let me know. I'm all ears. Okay, so if we do git status, and now we now see that the files have been staged, so they are ready to be committed. And like I said, uh, if the commit, if you push the commit and make a pull request, and if the request is approved, the files will be added into the repo. So that's my understanding. But if it's not, if there's another step, please let me know. So, I, like I said, just starting. All right, so those are the two ways that I find easiest for me how to add files in an existing project folder. So if you know any easier step, any easier method, please let me know. Yeah, by the way, I added this. I tried this one, where you add a folder like like test. Let's name it like test two, and then mm, two, and then maybe XC, something like, I don't know if this is right, something like that. So that would make a new subfolder. Yeah, it would make a new folder. Oh, it didn't make a subfolder. It's actually a new folder. Did I start from idea? And I think this is a text file. Yes, it's a text file. Yeah, so it's a text file. So I tried that step, but I didn't understand. I couldn't figure out how to add a file or the images. So I played around with VS Code, and again, these are the two ways I find easiest for me how to add files in an existing project folder using VS Code. Alright, so that's all for today. Leave your comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch out for my next tutorial. Peace out.